So I want to share this new product I discovered with you guys. I'm currently printing up this bento box, or however you pronounce it, for air filtration for maximum carbon. So I recently went on TH3D Studios and purchased some filament from them, and I noticed they had this bed cement. It's like, you know what, I'll give it a try. I've never tried one. I always just use Elmer's glue, washable glue sticks, all that stuff. I love this stuff. I will be buying more of this, probably the bigger bottle, and I am very happy with it. So this is PETG. You guys ever print with PETG and you have glue stick down and you get that kind of weird surface? Yeah, not with this stuff. And this stuff looks amazing when it's on the bed. It's not all chunked up. It lays nice and smooth. It dries nice. Look at that. That's with this down on the bed. And this stuff came right off here with ease. Just came right off the bed. And like I said, this is all PETG. All PETG. This stuff's amazing. I love it. I just wanted to share with you guys. Here is the other part we're currently printing, and you can see it on the bed. Just a nice shiny layer, nothing else. No chunks of glue, nothing like that. Don't mind the markings in my bed. I used my printer as a engraver one day. But yeah, this stuff is awesome. So if you haven't checked out this brand or this kind of bed cement, I will put the link in the description to his website and give him a try. It's definitely worth it. I am very happy with it.